thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Left yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Can I get my grown man on point? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, how are you? How you been, girl? If you been here, what's up? Today it was supposed to be a nighttime routine, but I think this just might be like a teenage fall diaries because we have a lot of stuff coming up. Tomorrow is Halloween and I'm baking, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, but this was really supposed to be a nighttime routine, but it's not gonna work that way. Not gonna work that way. I'm trying to see my mama location, see where she at, but she about to pull up, so I gotta head out the house right now. But yeah, I just wanted to come check in with y'all. We finna go to Walmart and pick up some supplies for the cookies. And yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm making a little bit more later in the video, or when we get to baking. It's really late. I was not even intending for it to be this late, but it's whatever. So I'm in here, y'all, and the cookies I plan to make. So I need 3 French vanilla. Yeah, 3 vanilla, and then okay, we got 3 vanilla. Then I need, wait, what else do I need? I feel like a real YouTuber. Like, wait, let me stop playing. This cake mix was busted up. I want a nice, well, you know. Okay, so I need 3 of them Blue Monster, then that for my Blue Monster. So I'm making Blue Monster Frankenstein, and then I'm making 2 batches of Blue Monster, y'all. Then I'm making strawberry. So yeah. Okay, I got my list now. Y'all don't know why I'm trying to act so Hollywood. Okay, I got my cake mix, so I'm gonna remove it from my list. Hopefully this is not costing me a band, y'all. If this cost me a band, I don't know. It said $35 on here, so I should be okay. Next, I got marshmallows. Next, I need do they have that? Y'all, I'm looking for the eye sprinkles, like the little eye. Let me see. Wait, y'all, anywhere? And if y'all do, I'm gonna be mad if one of y'all point it out though, for real. Let me see, cause I can't find it. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough. I have no idea. I wouldn't know. But yeah, I can't find it. Wait, hold on. Wait a damn minute. We back home and we're about to lock in because time check is 8:47. I set my alarm for 3 hours. I wasted 20 minutes already, so we really gotta get our move on. So we're doing Frankenstein. Frankenstein, Blue Monster, and Strawberry Crunch. And I gotta text my homeboy and see if he still want them, because I don't know what be going on here. And I gotta update y'all on some tea. I might do that later though. I might do that later. No shade though. I gotta update y'all on some tea because like, ooh. Anyway, what was I gonna do? I was gonna text my homeboy. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna be right back. I was really supposed to be recording the whole process, but I needed to stop. And like, I didn't get no footage of me recording the other day. But we got strawberry. What? How am I holding it?
Solid.
And
water.
Yeah. Movement of Frankenstein.
water.
Yeah.
Across the
but
in
I'm about to go in with my boo monster. I just got done with it. And it's been chilling for a long time. It's a lot of boo monsters. I'm trying to get these out of real quick because y'all, it'd be a lot to do. Like decorate and stuff. I have an hour and 56 minutes, which I'm probably not gonna make. I'm assuming my least time that I'm trying to be up is till 10:30, 45, 12:35. So let's just pray. Just pray for me. Pray for me. Hey y'all, so I'm back home from school last night. My cookies, y'all, they did not, sorry, that's my grandma. My cookies did not go how I wanted them to, but they came out good. I made at least $70 today, so that's good. But we about to head out to the football game. I'm super hyped. I'm gonna take my camera with me, so hopefully I can get some good pictures. I can figure out how to take pictures on here, but I'm pretty sure it's probably the most simplest thing ever. But yeah, and my hair came out cute. Yeah, this cute. Yeah, big camera, not the little one. I don't know. Wait, the quality.
Can we go there for me to get on that sidewalk?
The quality eat though.
Can we go there?
Yeah, cause it's less. It's not even packed. Where?
Yeah, I wanna go.
My boo. Hi. My baby boo.
Alex, yo.
What? Why she make that face?
Right. Why is you on foot? I record my performance.
Ooh, focus.
Hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog. Yeah, vlog. Tune in.
Yes.
My friend about to perform. Wait, when you perform? Halftime?
Yeah.
Bet.
You gotta film the part 2, the one with the colorful flags.
That's you?
And it's good. Your score with 4 minutes and 48 seconds left in the first quarter.
Hey y'all, so this me editing. I did not get to y'all, but after the football game, a few days went by, and I just ended up going out to eat my godmom, and we got seafood. And then after that, I hope I talk well enough because I don't know. I think I did have, I think it was 90s Day. I don't know. I don't remember, but yeah, I just ended up going out to eat with my godmom. So I know I'm outside, but I'm getting ready to go out with my godmom. I'm outside. Ooh, look, my hair is cute, but I don't know. But we getting ready to go. Get to this food.
Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave the side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things you try, yeah, let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life?
It's currently Wednesday, November 13th. I got my dates all messed up because I have not been recording. But today, we are gonna put our flyers up for vice president. I didn't go pick up my flyers yesterday, so I would have took y'all with me if I did, but we are running for vice president. I didn't even tell y'all that, but we running for vice president, and I did it randomly last week. I didn't even know what I was doing, not know that I was doing, but I knew that I wanted to run, and my homeboy was like, you should run, so that's what we doing. I'm about to show y'all my flyer. Hold on. Vice pres, period. Oh snap, this the real deal, y'all. Don't play. Who is this though? This LylaKai, like, ooh, I'm so hyped, y'all. But I give it to her today. And I'm trying, it's a little scratched up. That's what I get for being obsessive. But I'm so happy, y'all. Vice press. Oh, anyways, y'all. And then voting is next week on the 21st, so we still got some time, and we don't even, like, I wish we could hand out, like, money and stickers and stuff. Oh, baby, my favorite, all over the school, for real. But, yes, y'all, but yeah, we go vice press for school, and if you go to my school, I don't know when this video gonna be out. I think it's gonna be out by the time voting come out or whatever. So vote for me, or before it come. I don't know when it's gonna be out. But and then y'all, I'm going to the beauty supply store, and then we're gonna do my hair this weekend. And I'm gonna let y'all tag along with me, even though I know it's gonna be stressful. It's gonna be hair all over my room. We're gonna do my hair. We're gonna do some boho. We're gonna do some boho knotless with like blonde in it, like, you know, where it's like blonde occasionally in the hair. Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna do that, or I was gonna do it quickly, but I'm not really trying to. I'm only doing it quickly when I go to California, because my grandma, she got the good flat iron, like the good flat iron. I got the mediocre flat iron, okay? But what else do I need to catch y'all up on? We might cook, but I'm like might not record, because like I just don't want, like, it's gonna be overstimulated. Like I'm gonna be doing my hair, and then I had to make sure like I'm clean or whatever, because I don't want my hair, I mean not hair, but like I don't want my braiding hair in the food. But I'm gonna try and make some carne asada fries. Ooh, that's so new, but I kind of know what I'm doing. Like, even when I go into cooking, like, it's not gonna taste nasty. Like, I never play my food, never play with my food though. But I'm really happy. November been good to me, and I gotta make a content with my ex. But I don't know what we got going on, but I think he's talking to somebody. But let me stop playing. But I got back, not the one I made the story talking about y'all. I love being blessed with y'all, yeah. Y'all gonna know my tea. Not the one I made the story talking about y'all. But I was gonna make a story talking about this one, but it was just a whole bunch of baby boy. Y'all don't wanna hear that. But anyways, I'm not trying to run up this SD card for real. And I'm up here, I'm gonna talk 5 minutes. But I just want to catch y'all up because I love y'all. And we growing a little bit. Or we haven't been growing because I ain't been being consistent. But we gonna grow one day. And the people that's watching my videos now, they're gonna be like, oh, I remember. Yeah, you do, boo. But we at 248. I'm trying to hit 300, but we gonna see. We gonna see. But I know people be like my videos and stuff. So yeah, but I'm gonna see y'all probably when we go to the beauty supply after school. And then yeah, I wish we could record in school, y'all. Like, that's so aggy how they don't let us like we can't have our phones or nothing, because I will record. I will bring my camera too, but my camera, I just got it and I don't even have a case. I got like a little screen protector and it's about to come off. But let me talk to y'all later, because it's been 6 minutes and I know y'all don't really care about nothing that I have to say. It's been a few days later, and the last time I spoke to y'all was when I got my poster, and I did my hair. It was a lot of things that happened, but I didn't end up going to the supply store, nor did I end up going to the store. But I did do my hair. I did some blonde, black and blonde parts. Didn't mind your business for real. But no, today my friend's coming over. I'm gonna cook for her, but I don't think I'm gonna record because my battery is about to be exhausted, y'all. My battery about to be exhausted. But last time y'all saw me, I had my flyer. We did not go vice press, but it's okay. I was sad, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I was sad, but we did not win. I had a strong support system though, so that's something to always be grateful for, especially like regardless of the outcome. Like, the fact that I had support, it warms my heart. It warmed my heart for real, and I'm so grateful. Like, I can't be nothing but be appreciative. of supporting my friends and things like that, and feeling love no matter the outcome and things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video off here. This video was kind of all over the place because I never have like confirmed plans. Like, it always got to be something going on, or it's either born or something. But I'm gonna try and get on my YouTube stuff for real. Anyways, I hope that y'all like this vlog. If you did, if you stayed to the end, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. But yeah, it's my friend's birthday. But yeah, I love y'all. Stay tuned for next video. I don't know what the next video gonna be, but we gonna be in New Orleans next week, so let's see what it's talking about. Anyways, bye y'all.
Can I get my grown man on for one? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Jay-Z.